Conservative New Media peeps, what's up? It's me, John D. Villarreal. Well, we have another war of words going on, and that is, well, really, it's kind of one-sided, and that's Oprah Winfrey, and she has punked out Sarah Palin, and yeah, that's right, it's the Oprah Winfrey, oh, the O, and the network is that. Nobody's gonna watch that. It's already weak. Forget about it. But here's the thing about this. She just punked out Sarah Palin. Now, importantly, she didn't punk out Sarah Palin when she was actually on her show not that long ago with her book. That's so weird. I wonder why that didn't happen. Maybe because she wanted some ratings. Okay, that's my personal opinion. But here's the deal. This is the same Oprah that was campaigning with Obama and, oh, is he the one? Is he the one? Yeah, that Oprah. Okay, facial. And after that, it wasn't too long around that period that her ratings started going do. And we've all seen about the horrible embarrassment that Obama has been and all that type of stuff. Okay, but let's put that aside for 1 second, because she just punked out Sarah Palin. What did she say? She said it's in the new issue of Parade magazine. We've got the links to the stuff below. She said that Palin is charming and likable, but then asked about Sarah Palin's chances to be elected president and all that type of stuff. And I want to get the quote right here. Quote, "It does not scare me because I believe in the intelligence of the American public," Oprah said. What does that mean, Oprah? What are you talking about? The intelligence of the American public? Let's see. That's right. Sarah Palin would be a horrible president because she did such a horrible job in Alaska. Oh, wait a minute. She did a great job in Alaska. And now Alaskans have all kinds of surplus, and they each get, money back from the state government. They actually get money back from the state government every freaking year, as opposed to what happens in Illinois, where you're from, or New York, or New Jersey, or California, all these, liberal Democrat states, where these blue states, where people have to pay through the nose with taxes. Or let's talk about the amazing experience and actual horrible performance of someone like Obama. Hey, Oprah, what was the unemployment rate when Obama came in? What is it now? How about the deficit and the debt? How about the great performance in the Afghanistan war? How about, we were going to close Gitmo, right? How about all those things? Are you kidding me? Are you going to, the intelligence of the American people, the American people elected Obama, how is he doing? This tells me is that they're incredibly scared of Sarah Palin. They are incredibly scared. And since when is Oprah some grand vizier of political science or politics anyway? What does she know? It's unbelievable. I love it. They're scared of Palin because Palin is smart. She has more jack, and she has now probably at least as much name ID and Q rating as Sarah Palin as Oprah, or very close. I'm telling you right now, as soon as Oprah goes off the network, bye-bye Oprah. That's what I think in terms of visibility and Q rating and stuff like that. Q rating is basically how you measure star power in Hollywood, one of the main metrics. More importantly, Sarah Palin is going to appeal to women. Yeah, there's some people that don't like her, but she's changed it. I mean, I think Sarah Palin's Alaska has been fantastic. I think it's shown that she's very, very real. I think it's shown that she's very, very capable. I'm not saying she's the end-all, be-all. I love her. I think she's great. But let's see who else runs. And look, as I've always said, why is everyone so worried? Whether it's the insiders on the right or all these Obama people and stuff like that, let the people decide. If she wants to run, let her run. And then we'll see if she gets a nomination. If she gets a nomination, we'll go from there. But I mean, the bottom line is I believe what Rush and others have said, the enemies will show you who they're scared of. Meaning that, no, not really enemies, but I mean, basically there's two opposing political parties, more or less, right now, Democrats versus Republicans. And when we see staunch Obama supporters like Oprah Winfrey, trying to take shots at Sarah Palin, that shows me that they're very, very scared of Sarah Palin. And, I haven't seen Oprah Winfrey taking shots at Mitt Romney or Mitch Daniels or these other people like that. And that should tell you something. That should tell you something. All right? They're scared of Sarah Palin because Sarah Palin can get the women vote. And remember, women are the #1 voting bloc in the Democratic Party. If they even peel off just a little bit of that, Obama is done. Okay, anyway, what do you think about that? Is Oprah out of line for what she said, or do you agree with her? Tell me what's up. Comments below, subscribe above. I'm John D. Villarreal, and you're watching Conservative New Media.